Hi everyone, forget about my yellow dress and my messy hair. I'm so excited today. I woke up feeling good. Yeah, very soon I'll start packing. The packing, I'll take my bath, glam myself up, you know, is what I'm saying, like look good. Let the fun for today begin. Ooh. However, I would like to use this opportunity to thank everyone that made it a point to always visit the YouTube channel Lifestyle by RNA to watch videos over there. Also subscribe to the channel. God richly bless you more. May you never lack. May you continue to shine in everything that you do. You know, the world that we are in, we are so busy. No one has time for each other, but you always do your best to watch the videos that I post. God bless you. God bless you. The God that has blessed me, may he bless you more. And also to those who haven't, or to those who don't even know, if you're watching this video for the first time, please do want to subscribe to the Lifestyle by RNA on YouTube, and I promise you'll never regret it, because the channel, if you're sad, that's the best place to go to watch videos. If you want to be entertained, that's the best place to watch videos. If you want to know more about makeup, beauty, anything lifestyle, that's the best. You know, your girl has to look good. So yes, I'll glam my face, pick my outfit for the trip, and yeah, we take it from there. Like when I get there, I'll do a video if I'm not tired, because I'm not going to set off early. Just can't wait to start my journey to it's a surprise, guys. I need to surprise you guys of where we are going. Adventure reloaded. Oh my god, guys, I was so happy that day. Anyway, so let's get back to business. If you are making a trip, sometimes you get confused of the things to pack, what not to pack. Sometimes you even end up packing things that you might not even use for your trip. So these are a few tips that I'll share in this video. So first of all, make a list of the things you think you will use on your trip. So if let's say you're going to be out for like 2 days, what are the things you'll be wearing in the morning? What are the things you sleep with within that 2 nights over there? What are the things you wear out? And if you're someone like me who normally take advantage of places that I go to do shoots, then it means you are picking extra. Maybe you're picking 1 or 2 dresses that I use to do photo shoots. So yes, and if you know that you're also like a vlogger, it means you have to pick extra outfits that you'll be changing to do content. So this will help you. So like I said, first of all, you make a list. So when you make a list, you pick your bag. When you check your list, if you don't want to carry extra stuff when you're packing, like after you're done packing, you'll be carrying extra stuff, just carry a big bag so that everything goes into it. So the only thing you pick is your handbag and you're good to go. So whilst you are packing, you start taking the things that you've already packed into the bag, and it makes you to know the things that are left out that are not yet in the bag. And also, one secret thing too is that you don't know you don't know much about the place, although you've read about it. And it's very safe for you to do some small provisions before you go. So the provisions, I'll do share it in my next video of the things I bought. For now, these are just for the things you need to pack. So obviously you add your provisions to your packing list, but you've already bought your provisions, so you're just adding it to your stuff in your bag, and that's all. Yeah, the provisions, it depends on you the individual. What you like is what you buy to go and eat, to add up to the things you eat over there. So provisions doesn't mean you go and buy food. But anyway, I do prepare food or order for food when I'm going on my trip, because when I get there, I don't want to now go and search for food. Yeah. So yeah, that is it. I think basically that is it. That is all the secret. So please enjoy the video to the end. Do well to share your comment. If you're watching this video, don't know what to say, just leave an emoji. It means you like the video. And also do well to click on the little bell below this video to subscribe. When you subscribe, you join the family, meaning whenever I post a video, you can be notified of it and then click to watch. Also, you have many friends, I don't know them, so the amazing thing is that we have a share button under this video, so you share this video to your loved ones. I know people do and they don't share. I don't know, are you shy watching my video that you think it's not worthy to be shared on your platform? Really, you might not know whom you are helping. I do get emails, sometimes DM, people asking me the prices of the place I went to. Please, most of the trips I don't do it in groups, it's an individual trip, so all expenses are on me. So but if you think you have an interesting place and you like us to go together, then it means that we'll be sharing the price. But for now, I am going to enjoy my little trips alone. Alone with myself, me, myself, and I. Yeah. So please, let's grow the channel together. I cannot do all this alone. I'll do my part. Your part is to like, share, comment, and subscribe too. I'm telling you, don't wait for me to be a celeb before you come and now subscribe to my channel. By then I will know you again, because you're not part of the people that I grew the channel with. So please, if you also want me to watch the video, just drop an emoji at the comment section. Then it's like you've announced your presence. I know some of you just want to be like ghost on the page, but sometimes you should leave some mark to show that yeah, you were also here some. Anyway, so don't forget to pick your sponge, your towel, and I think basically things you need. Yeah, I don't know the kind of trip you'll be making, but just pack the important things. So listen it down will make you know the important things and the things that you don't need for the trip. Yes, so please enjoy my packing trip video, and I expect to see you all in my next video. I mean all of you in my next video, and the next video is going to be the journey to the place, like the secret place that I'm here to unveil. So you need to subscribe. Subscription is free, so please guys, December is right at the corner and your girl haven't even hit 2k. Like, is it fair? Is it really fair? Like, it's not fair. So please guys, help me grow this channel. Like, help me grow this channel, and I will forever love you all. So yes, that is it. I think that is it. Yep. So, and the one thing is that I made this trip I think in July. I made this trip in July. So if you're there, you're thinking I'm not going, then I'm then I'm sorry. I made this trip in July, so yeah, I'll give you all the tips in the next video, and I'll tell you some amazing thing that happened to me. Oh, your girl was so happy. You see, when you've been locked down for a while, this is what happens. Okay, bye. So I'm not going to spend 2 nights in my room. Oh, I'm going to miss my room, my bed. Yeah, but I'm also excited. I'm going to spend it elsewhere.